Hey everyone, Mike here. Today we will be talking about how AI can help you write an email or a letter that you've been putting off. Sometimes it gets frustrating and difficult, but if you've been putting it off because you're not sure how to word it, I'm going to walk you through a simple way to get help, step by step. Let's get started. All right. What I'm going to show you is a simple way to get past that first hard step. So first, open an AI tool like the one you see here on the screen. If you've never used one before, that's okay. This is all it is. It's a place where you type. This box here is where we're going to put our prompt or our instructions to tell AI what we want it to do. Now, instead of writing the email itself, you're going to explain the situation in plain language. So here's exactly what I'm going to type. And this is, again, just for you to understand how this can work to help you. So I'm going to type in here, help me write a polite, clear email explaining that I need more time to finish a project. When you're doing this yourself, your sentence might be different, and that's fine. The important part is to keep it simple and honest. Once you've typed that in, go ahead and submit it. Now, you see here, what comes back is not something that you need to send. Think of it as a rough draft and nothing more. Take a moment to read through what it gives you. Sometimes it gives you a couple of different options. Don't copy anything just yet. Just read what's there. Okay, now I'm going to copy the part that feels useful and paste it into my email. This is where you take over. As you read it again, change anything that doesn't sound like you. For example, I might shorten a sentence or soften the tone or remove a phrase I wouldn't normally say. You're always in control of the final message. What this really does is remove the hardest part, and that is starting. Once the page isn't blank anymore, everything gets easier. If this feels helpful, great. If it feels awkward the first time, that's completely normal. You don't have to use AI for everything, but for getting unstuck, for turning thoughts into a first draft, this is a calm, low stress way to try it. It's just one email, but it's one small win for you and a little more confidence the next time you need to write.